Hey guys, we're going to do the unboxing and overview of the Segway Drift W1. So these are what I would consider to be electric roller skates. At least that's what it seems to me. So yeah, I've never used one of these things before, and I have no idea what it's going to be like. But I bought it because they were on sale. Originally, I think they were like $500, but I bought them on sale for $200 with the Black Friday sale that they had. And Segway's probably best known for, they make these two-wheeled, like electric vehicles, I would say. They're not scooters. They're kind of just like those two-wheeled vehicles where you push, you put your frame on it, right? You go on it and you basically push your weight on it and then it moves. So yeah, that's what probably they're best known for. The 9-bot is probably their most popular line. But yeah, these W1s look really interesting. I mean, they're affordable, right? So yeah, only $200. I thought, why not give it a shot? I guess I can try to use it outside sometimes. Not these days because it's raining a lot in Vancouver in the winter, and or light snow, so it's probably not the best time to use it. But come springtime, I can probably try it out a little bit and see what these guys are about. But yeah, I'm really curious. I mean, they are affordable. I mean, Segway makes a whole bunch of stuff. They make electric carts. They make a robot one, I believe, the Lumo or whatever. And yeah, the 9-bot stuff is probably the most popular things with the ones that you stand up and you push your weight on them and then they move. So those are probably the most popular things. But those ones are kind of big. I thought, well, these ones you can even just fit into your backpack, and they even come with little handles that you can grip on. So why not try it out? So anyways, we just do the unboxing today. Alright, let's see what's inside this thing. And okay, so of course comes the instruction packet. That's the first thing. 9-bot Segway Drift W1. I am curious to see how these work. So they look to me like electric rollerblades. And I've not been rollerblading for a long time. I mean, when I was young, I guess I owned a pair of rollerblades. Not roller skates, mind you. I never actually used roller skates before, but I used rollerblades when I was young, and it's been a long time since I used them. So I'm gonna figure out how that works. And then here they are. So fairly heavy. I would say they weigh about 10 pounds each. Fairly heavy things. So yeah, I mean, these are not light by any means. They're just more portable compared to their regular stuff, right? Because their regular stuff is, that they weigh as much as a bike. So yeah, these things are relatively more portable, and you can lift them. You can using these straps here, right? These kind of elastic straps. You can carry them like this. Oh, they got them on both ends actually. You can carry them like this. Cool. So yeah, these are kind of electric rollerblades. I'm really interested to see how these work. So yeah, and the only other things in the box are you get a charger, of course, this is a wall plug, and then you get, oh, this is the actual transformer, right? Yep. And then yeah, of course, proprietary adapter. It's not like these things are gonna charge with USB or anything. They require too much power for that. So yeah, that is the Segway Drift. This is called Segway Drift W1. Yeah, Segway Drift W1. Pretty cool things, devices, and I just, yeah, I'm gonna try them out because they're $200. And saw them on sale, and I was like, well, why not? I'll just pick it up and see what it's about. If these things actually work, then that's cool. I know they don't have much range. I mean, supposedly, they only last for like 30-40 minutes or something like that, so they don't last very long. You can't really go very far with them. But still, if I'm going to the grocery store or something nearby, I can still use these. So yeah, that's the Segway Drift W1 unboxing. I'm going to try these out when the weather is a little bit better. You're going to see how these things work out. Oh yeah, by the way, this charger comes with 2 adapters, so I guess we have to charge them both at the same time, which makes sense, I guess. So yeah, each one of these takes a charging port. So if you look at this, I think the charging port is right here. So you see there's a power button right here, and then there's a little charging port right there. So that's how it is. Power button, charging port on each of these. So alright, so I'm actually going to turn these on and show you guys a little bit about how these things work. It's actually pretty cool. So yeah, we're just gonna put that on, and right now it's going to be in standby mode. Yes, there are LEDs down at the bottom, but they won't activate until you put your feet on them, right? So I'm just going to use my hands, right, so I can show you guys right now. And yeah, it's really interesting because it can actually detect how much pressure you're putting on them. These are very sensitive. I don't know what technology they're using, but they're super sensitive, and it will basically detect whether you have an intention of going forward or back or turning based on very minor movements that you might make with your muscles, I guess, when you have your feet on here. So I'm using my fingers as a demonstration, but basically if I want to lean forward, they'll go forward. If I want to lean back, they'll go back. It's really cool. And I guess if I want to turn, then they'll probably want to turn as well. So yeah, it's just very cool how these things actually work, right? So the harder I press down, like the more it'll speed up. So yeah, it's very interesting. They might go very fast if I put more pressure on the bottom. Okay, yeah, I mean it's hard to demonstrate, without actually using my feet on these, but you guys get an idea of how this technology works. Just super cool. Now it's definitely going to take some time to get used to. Of course, they're self-balancing. That's one of the core Segway technologies too, is that they balance by themselves even though they only have one wheel. That's another thing that Segway patented, I guess. So yeah, just want you guys to show you guys how these work in action. They're self-balancing electric rollerblades, or an alternative to electric rollerblades, I guess. And then they move just based on your intention to move forward or back or turning. Yeah, it's similar to a 9-bot, I guess, and how that works. So yeah, very cool. Definitely take some time to adjust and get used to, for sure, because I can't see people really using this well unless they have a lot of time to practice with it. It's definitely something you definitely need more time with. So anyways, I guess when the weather gets better, I'll go outside and I'll try these. So anyways, guys, these are the Segway Drift W1s. Very cool gadgets, I guess. It's hard to classify this. Would this be it's not a vehicle, it's accessory, I guess. An accessory, a gadget. I don't know what you want to really call these. But yeah, very cool devices. So yeah, that's the Segway Drift W1s. I'll put these guys in standby mode. Yep, then there we go. Now this one. There we go. All right, and that's it. I'm definitely going to try these out. It looks very fun. And for $200, yeah, I figured why not give it a shot and have some fun with these guys. That's all. Thanks for watching.